Are you planning to visit the Philippines soon? If so, then you don't want to miss out on Banaue. In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this beautiful destination. Hey everyone, my name is David and in this video, I'm going to show you all about the amazing province of Banaue in the Philippines. This place is a must-see for any traveler and I'll tell you why. So whether you're just starting to plan your trip or are already there, make sure to stick around until the end of this video. The Philippines is a culturally and geographically diverse country, home to stunning natural landscapes such as the rice terraces of Banaue. Located in northern Luzon, these terraces were carved into the mountains by the Ifugao people over 2,000 years ago. Banaue is a great place for nature lovers and adventure seekers. Hiking through its ancient rice terraces offers amazing views of the surrounding mountains, and visitors can also swim in waterfalls, soak in natural hot springs, explore caves with ancient burial sites, or take part in cultural events like festivals or traditional music and dance performances. So what are you waiting for? Head to Banaue for your next adventure. What is the best time of year to visit Banaue? Many people argue that the best time to visit Banaue is during the dry season, which runs from December to April. The rice terraces are at their most vibrant during this time, as the plants are green and thriving. Additionally, the weather is typically sunny and pleasant, making it ideal for outdoor activities such as hiking and exploring the area. However, some visitors prefer to go during the wet season, May to November, as the rice terraces are filled with water and have a beautiful reflection on their surfaces. This can also be a more affordable time to visit, as there tend to be fewer tourists during this period. Overall, both times of year have their own unique charm and it ultimately comes down to personal preference. Whichever time you choose to visit Banaue, you are sure to be in for a beautiful and unforgettable experience. How to get there? To get to Banaue in the Philippines, first fly into Manila, the country's capital. From there, you can take a bus or van directly to Banaue, which takes about 8 to 10 hours. Another option is to take a bus or van to the nearby city of Banaue and then transfer to a jeepney for the final leg of the journey to Banaue. If you're feeling adventurous, you could also try taking a 10 to 12-hour overnight bus from Manila directly to Banaue. However, keep in mind that these buses often don't have assigned seats and can be crowded and uncomfortable. Once in Banaue, there are many accommodation options available ranging from budget hostels to luxury resorts. There are also plenty of guided tours available for activities such as hiking through the rice terraces or visiting nearby indigenous villages. Overall, getting to Banaue may involve a long journey, but it is well worth it for the chance to see the stunningly beautiful rice terraces and experience unique local culture. What should I see or do while I'm there? There are many fantastic things to see and do while in Banaue in the Philippines. One must-see attraction is the Banaue Rice Terraces. Dubbed as the eighth wonder of the world, these terraces were carved into the mountains 2,000 years ago by the indigenous people known as the Ifugao. They continue to be used for rice cultivation today, demonstrating the ingenuity and resourcefulness of the local people. Another popular activity is visiting nearby waterfalls or hot springs, such as Batad Tapia Falls or Bocos Hot Springs. Trekking through rice fields and dense jungle to reach these natural wonders is a unique and exhilarating experience. For a taste of traditional culture, visitors can attend a cultural show at the Banaue Ethnic Village. Here, locals perform traditional dances and showcase handcrafted items such as wood carvings and textiles. Overall, Banaue offers stunning landscapes, immersive cultural experiences, and opportunities for adventure and relaxation. How much does it cost to stay in Banaue? The cost of accommodation in Banaue varies depending on the type of accommodation you choose. For budget options, there are hostels and guest houses starting at around $12 per night for a shared room or $20 for a private room. If you are looking for a more upscale experience, there are also resorts and hotels ranging from $80 to over $200 per night. Keep in mind that prices may also vary depending on the time of year and any special events or holidays happening in the area. It is recommended to book your accommodations in advance, especially during peak season and busy times, as options may fill up quickly. Overall, Banaue offers a range of accommodation options to fit any budget. Is it a good destination for solo travelers? In my opinion, Banaue is a great destination for solo travelers. Aside from the rice terraces, Banaue also offers opportunities for trekking and mountain climbing. There are numerous trails to choose from, all offering stunning views of the surrounding mountains and rice fields. For solo travelers looking for some relaxation, Banaue also has hot springs and natural pools where you can unwind and soak in the warm water. Another advantage of traveling solo in Banaue is that accommodation options cater to budget travelers, with homestays and hostels available at affordable prices. Overall, Banaue offers plenty of activities for solo travelers looking for adventure and stunning scenery. If you are looking for a unique and beautiful travel destination, then Banaue in the Philippines is the place for you. With its stunning rice terraces and vibrant local culture, Banaue offers visitors an immersive travel experience unlike any other. Whether you are looking to hike through the terraces or relax in a hot spring, there is something for everyone in this amazing town. So if you want to get away from it all and see some of the most incredible sights on earth, be sure to check out Banaue. I promise that you won't be disappointed. And while you're at it, why not watch our 12 best places to visit in the Philippines video for even more inspiration? Happy travels!